Hello there. Have you ever wondered what would be the most efficient and strategic way to migrate a set of objects in Maya from one material to another? Well, this short and sweet video is going to cover that for you. Follow along with me. So in this case, I have all of these segments of this character. So I'm going to go into the Hypershade. So now that I have the Hypershade there, I'm going to select a single object that has that material that I want those objects to migrate from, and then click on Graph Materials on Selected Objects. Select that. So now it's going to give you the material that is assigned to the geometry that you have selected. Now, let's say I want to assign a simple Lambert. Type in Tab on the keyboard and then Lambert. So let's say I want to assign all of these objects to this material. Here's how to do it. Click and hold right mouse button on the original material. Then I would go into the option Select Objects with Material. And there you go, they're selected. Now I would go to this material, right mouse button, and then Assign Material to Viewport Selection. And there you go. I hope that helps.